In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize your canvas by adjusting camera settings. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to change the size of your scene by updating the camera dimensions. This is helpful when you need a specific canvas size for a platform, a presentation, or a client requirement. Think of the camera as the window through which your audience sees your project. The width and height you set here define the exact canvas your scene will render. Start by heading to the File menu at the top of the screen. This is where most project-wide options live, and it's the quickest path to the global settings that affect your entire scene. From there, select Project Settings. Depending on your version, this might also appear as Scene Settings, but it's the same place you need to be. Once the Settings window opens, look for the section labeled Camera Settings. This section controls how big your canvas is and what aspect ratio it uses. Inside, you'll see fields for camera size, usually broken out into width and height. These numbers are your canvas dimensions. For example, 1920 by 1080 gives you a standard 16.9 frames suitable for most videos, while 1080 by 1080 gives you a square canvas commonly used for certain social platforms. If you're working for print or a custom display, enter the exact pixel dimensions you've been given. As you type new values, keep aspect ratio in mind. If you change one dimension without considering the other, your scene could become wider, taller, or even crop elements if they sit outside the new frame. A quick tip: if you're matching a platform requirement, look up the recommended aspect ratio first, then input numbers that fit that ratio. Also, larger dimensions can increase render times, so choose the size that balances quality with performance. When you're happy with the values, click OK to apply the changes. This confirms your update and tells the software to resize the canvas according to the new camera dimensions. You should see the canvas immediately adjust in your workspace, reflecting the width and height you just set. Elements in your scene will now be framed by this updated camera, which determines what will be visible when you export or preview your project. That's all there is to it. By using the File menu, opening project or scene settings, finding camera settings, adjusting camera size, and confirming with OK, you've precisely resized your canvas. This approach keeps your scene consistent and output ready, ensuring what you design is exactly what your audience will see.